Hey everybody, welcome to Excel video 388. I'm Nate Moore. I'm at mgma.com, their webpage, where they have my new book, Better Data, Better Decisions, Using Business Intelligence in Medical Practice, that I wrote with my friend Mona Reimers. If you're looking for ways to use some of the pivot tables and Excel features and all the things we've been talking about over the course of these last several hundred videos, this book will give you all kinds of suggestions about how to use it in medical practice, and I hope you find it helpful. Let me bounce over to Excel for a minute. And I want to play with an advanced filter today. If you want to do something like this, if you say, you know what, I want all of the downtown appointments and I only want to see Dr. Evans. Notice what Excel's doing. It's an and filter. What I mean by that is it has to be Evans and downtown. If you scroll down through here, there's nothing that's downtown or Evans. It's got to be and. It's got to be both. If you want to do an or filter instead of an and filter, here's what you have to do. Let's clear the filter off of here. We'll select all, do it that way. Notice how I've got several rows above my table where my data is. I'm going to copy this top header row and I'm going to paste it up here. Then what I'm going to do is you have to, let's escape out of here so we get rid of the clipboard. The formatting, the syntax is kind of strange to make this work. So I've got it over here in a text box to show you how it works. What you've got to do is we're going to put equals and then quotes and then equals again downtown and finish the quote. See, if it's easier to see it here, that's what I'm typing in this cell. So I'm going to do that there, and then I'm going to come over to provider, and I'm going to do, again, equals, and then quotes, equals, Evans, and quotes. Now that I've got it set up, what I can do is this. I'm going to, from the Data tab, the Advanced filter, what I'm going to do is my list range, where my data is going to start here, Control-Shift down, and go all the way down to there. And then my criteria range is up here. And there's several tricks to this. One of the tricks is I want to make sure that I don't include any blank rows where I don't have anything in any of these columns in this filter area, because if I do, then the way this filter works, I'll get everything. And I'll explain the way the filter works in just a second. So I've got the list range correctly. I've got the criteria range. I'm going to filter the list in place. I don't want to move it anyplace else. I want to filter the list where it is. I'm not worried about unique records. I'm going to click OK. And now what I've got is downtown, downtown, southeast, but this is Evans. And these are all downtown, and that's southeast and Evans. And you'll notice I've got downtown, and here's university and Evans. See how I'm doing an or filter instead of an and filter? That's the way to do it with this advanced filter tab. The way it works is each of these rows, everything in this row, say row 2 has to be true, or everything in row 3 has to be true, or I could go down and do more rows if I needed to. But my range to start with is these 3 rows, the header and 2 different conditions. Everything in row 2 has to be true, or everything in row 3 has to be true. We're going to go back and do more examples of this. But big picture, when you want to do an or filter instead of an and filter, Advanced filter from the Data tab, copy the headings to the top, and then you've got to get the syntax right, where you've got equals quotes, equals downtown quotes, and you can do all kinds of complex filters in a table. Stay tuned next time. We're going to take this idea a step further and use some more examples of advanced filters with tables. Thanks for watching.